Hello guys, and it's Friday, the first Friday of the month. You already know the drill. We are on the NFP day. Will NFP come in higher or lower, my friends? My take is that it's gonna get mixed and the market will go up and down, okay? So if you wanna know why I think on this and how we can trade this volatility, stay until the end with me and then we're gonna discover how to trade this. But first, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, put that little bell. So then, once you have that bell activated, you will get notified every day when we post a video. Now, let's get into it. Okay, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, and average hourly earnings are due tonight at 10:30 p.m. on Sydney time. What will happen? What is going on with the market? We've seen the US dollar getting so much strength, euro dollar coming back lower, pullbacking, and I've tell everyone on here, I think it was Tuesday, I've made it a video and we've uploaded a video talking about when will euro dollar pull back, and I've mentioned the 1.101 level and we got right into there and now we're pull backing up. My honest opinion is a NFP will come in mixed with higher unemployment rate, average hourly earnings as expected, and a bit lower than what is actually on the consensus for the actual NFP. So that being said, how will the US dollar actually correspond to these sort of everywhere data points? Well, my opinion is pretty simple, and combined with the technical analysis, it's working pretty good. All right, we are looking at the US dollar index on a resistance at this moment, and we may see a pullback down to the support area on the 100.800. Okay, so 100.800 is where I'm looking to the US dollar to come back lower. And for euro dollar, of course, on US dollar weakness, euro actually, will be a little bit more stronger, and this will show euro dollar going up. Now, what is going on as well with the central banks? Why is this NFP so important than any other? Well, the last NFP was really important for the decision of the 50 basis points cut from the Fed last two weeks ago. But this one is much more important as well because it's deciding what's going to happen on the actual quarter. It's the quarter, all right? It's the first Friday of the quarter, and it's the first NFP that will decide, will the Fed do another 50 basis point, or will the Fed cut only 25? My honest opinion is another 25 basis point and then another 25, not only a 50 and then this is it. No, it's a 25 and another 25. Now, if we look at here, the consensus for the non-farm payroll is at 148,000 from the previous of 142,000, so 6,000 more than what is on the previous. The unemployment rate is to maintain the same as the previous at 4.2%, but remember that on the FMC day we had a speech from the Jerome Powell saying about the unemployment rate can go up to 4.4%. So yes, there is a possibility of coming at 4.3%. And of course, it's not good, people getting unemployed. But remember that the ADP and the JOLTS came in higher than expected, showing jobs strengthening on the last month, showing that we did have jobs opening for people. Now, did those people actually get this job? We will see tonight on the NFP. Now, the last but not least, the average hourly earnings expected to decrease from 0.4% the previous to 0.3%. That's what the consensus is saying. My honest opinion, it is correct. Most probably we will see a decrease on the average hourly earnings because the market has been dropping, okay, in a sense of the labor market. Still stable. I'm not saying it's crazily unstable. Still stable. But we need to see more, how could I say, support from the employers. Okay, we need to see a little bit more support from the employers. So really interesting how those numbers are looking for tonight. My honest opinion is I'm long on euro dollar. And if we break through the point, it's too much numbers, I can't remember what is the actual level. Let me just have a look here for you guys. So if we break through the level of 1.10500, most probably we can see a pullback at least at 1.10700. And then if we break through the 1.10850, we will get to the target at 1.11400. Okay, so that's pretty much my trade idea for tonight on the NFP. I will be trading along, but this doesn't mean that you have to get this long, all right? This is my honest opinion, this is my personal opinion, and I'm just sharing with you guys through the analysis. Guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to use risk management because tonight will be very volatile, and have a good weekend ahead. Next week, we will have another webinar on Tuesday as usual. So please subscribe to the webinar. It's really easy. Well, register for the webinar. It's really easy. It's on the description. We don't ask you for anything except your email. So then we can send you the link for you to join on next Tuesday. Guys, thank you so much. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up and share this content with your friend. Have all a great weekend ahead and take some time to rest with your family as well. It's very important. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.